Hi, I'm Susan. Welcome to my home and studio at Windy Acre Cottage. It's a 100-year-old craftsman cottage where I love to paint and garden and entertain and care for all my wonderful fur babies, both those that are adopted and all the little fosters. It's also my home base for many fun adventures of the art, history, and gardening kind. Today's the day, ladies. Let's do this.
Exactly. Oh, listen now, I will do this.
gorgeous.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I love that.
I'm gonna show Mike.
And so, there's so few brush strokes to it, but it was just enough needed to convey the information.
This is that.
That interior is so pretty. Let's move that to sunshine so we can see a little bit better.
Linda, how many?
I think Jennifer did that one. Flowers, birds, interior, flowers, another interior that is so cute. Landscape, and then over here, oh, the camper is so cute. Linda, is this yours?
Yes.
Love, love, love that. Linda gives just enough information to convey what she's trying to convey. These barns, love them. Man, that really turned out good too.
I didn't even see a duck out here.
Ethel, she's down there by the dog. Do you see the Great Pyrenees? And I love Margaret's barn. Oh, that's amazing. Great work, artist.